how to save overexposed images. From this, we can change it to this. I'm using Lightroom Classic, and then I'll show you all the steps, what we have to do to change these overexposed pictures. I'm opening my Adobe Lightroom Classic. I'm going to import my file. But before that, I have to go to desktop. Under desktop, there is the file that I put the image, and I'll pull that image to my LRC. Next, I'll press develop, and immediately the sidebar will pop out, and now I will have a choice to play with. I got white in here, and I can change it to different degrees. For now, I'll leave it at -20, and I'm just adding texture. Also, the clarity is important. Yeah, I'm adding dehaze and see what it gives me. And I'll add vibrance and also saturation. I'll just find the right saturation that my picture needs. I'm gonna go to detail, and there is a sharpening amount, a radius, detail. I'll play on the first 3 to get the better result. I will do noise. Some of the noise that is noticeable on the picture. So using luminaries and those contrast and detail. And also I'll touch colors. I need to have a little bit blurry background, so I will press lens blur button and apply it. And I'll choose some amount that is appropriate for it. Make sure you understand about the focus range too. Now we'll create a mask for the background, because I need to separate the background and add more colors and exposures that I believe is suitable for it. So I will mask it and get the right one, the right color, which is attached exposure, contrast, highlights. Shadow. When you do masking, if you chose background, it will give you only the access to edit the background. If you chose a subject, same thing too. So I'll touch the temperature, tint, till I get the right color. So all those overexposed pictures might not need the same settings to fix them, because the exposure brightness amount is different from picture to another picture. So but make sure to try to just follow those exposure, contrast, white, temperature, tint, those kinds of stuff. Do your own research. You can create more masking to the background or to the subject until you get the better result. The kids wear red shirts, so it's good to add more reddish tone curve. Hopefully you get something from today's video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share our channel. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.